That would be curry sauce. Tomato should go really well with egg. And that's not intentional, I just dropped some rice to the pan. So the rice part won't be looking as good. Getting the non-chopsticks ready. Alright. Okay, so already very thick and fat down. So it might be a bit of a challenge, but I'll see what I can do. Oh wow. I can see it can work theoretically. But the eggs are done. So egg fried rice looking reasonable. So that's ready, and I'll put the other one in and put some mayonnaise on top. Oof. So it looks nicer. Oops daisy. So as you can see here, the second bowl always have more food in, that's why I always get a second bowl. And I get some mayonnaise. Oh, I can't. Theoretically I can, just like the tomato thingy. So here we go, and it probably tastes very nice because it's a well-tested recipe. Good so far. Put some veg on top, cause why not? And do some wait. Decoration, so it looks better. Yeah, that's fine. That's all very good, very nice, very tender vegetables. Isn't that right?
Yes, it is.
Good.
I want to make it clear I'm not forced to say any of this. These are all my own opinions.